Changing the LCD screen and keypad for AC800. Unscrew the star shape at the bottom of the AC800 reader using the screwdriver provided. Remove the steel backplate. Unplug the core board from the main controller unit. There are 5 screws tighten the main controller unit inside the reader. Unscrew all the screws. Unplug the connector for doorbell and LED from the main controller unit. Now unplug the IDE cable connected from keypad to main controller unit. Remove the main controller unit and you will find the LCD board and keypad board. These two boards are connected and must be exchanged together. There are 4 screws on the LCD board. You may unscrew them to remove the LCD board. Then you also need to unscrew the screws on the keypad board to remove it. Now replace a new LCD board and keypad board. Tighten up all screws to locate these 2 boards. Now you may locate the main controller unit and tighten it. Connect the IDE cable to main controller unit. Make sure the notch is facing out of the controller board. Plug the connector for doorbell and LED back to main controller unit. Plug the core board firmly on the main controller unit. Cover with a steel backplate and tighten the screw. Now power on the reader to test.